My name is Eric, and we're in Chinatown at the largest dim sum restaurant in Northeast, Jingfong, and I'm here to talk to you about dim sum. So dim sum literally means a little touch of heart, because every dish is handcrafted by all the chefs in the kitchen. To me, it means a little bit of comfort food. As you can see, there are tons of variety in the kinds of dishes you can order, so dim sum is an experience best shared with friends. What is that?
Sesame ball.
Sesame ball? Yeah, one sesame ball, please. Dim sum may be hectic, but it's actually very simple. People will come by your table with food, and all you have to do is ask what they have and pick what you like, and then start eating. So usually you can order about 3 to 4 dishes per person, and that should be about right. And of course, encourage everyone to share. My favorites at dim sum include the shrimp dumplings here, ha gao, siu mai, shrimp and pork, feng tao, chicken feet or phoenix claws for the adventurous, but one of my favorites. And of course, there's the pork buns, ta siu bao. So a lot of people might say, let's go get brunch, or let's just go brunch. With dim sum, we say, let's go yum cha, or literally, let's go drink tea. Tea is a very big part of dim sum, and as soon as you sit down at the table, you can order a specific kind of tea if you know what you want, or they'll usually bring you a pot of black tea. The reason why you drink tea is to help break down a lot of the oils that you're eating. So not only is dim sum about a lot of food, but also being healthy at the same time. If there's a dish that you really want and you don't see it, you can always just grab your receipt and head out and find the dish that you want. Dim sum is fairly inexpensive, but if you ever want to get an idea of the cost of everything, some receipts are laid out like this. There are small, medium, large, special dishes, and every time you're served a dish, the server will put their little mark, and you can sort of get an understanding of about how much you're gonna pay. So we have a lot of medium and large dishes here, and a couple of special ones. But generally, dim sum will be about $15 per person, so a very inexpensive option. 감사합니다.